guys really need to beware of this. There has been something strange and funny going on whenever I take trades on Bybit, using the peer-to-peer method. I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing this, but this has been happening to me constantly. Even there was a time I had to announce it to my community members on WhatsApp that they should beware of this, but it's still happening. This thing even happened again this morning. That is why I'm recording this video, because I've been postponing it, as I've not had the perfect time to bring it up on YouTube. But today, this morning, I'm not even prepared for this video. I said I have to make a video, I have to record the video, know how, so someone out there doesn't fall for this same scam. You need to be careful, you need to be meticulous when you are taking trades or exchanging any form of cryptocurrency on any platform apart from Bybit. But this one happened to me on Bybit. It has been happening to me on Bybit. That is why if you're a Bybit user, you need to watch this video to the very end, especially if you take trades or you exchange. You know how it is, exchange your cryptocurrencies for your local currency on the Bybit platform. All right, this has been happening with so many merchants, and I think it's high time you guys need to know about this, and then you have to watch out for this. Okay, so before I take you to the Bybit app to show you the whole saga, let me brief you on this. For those of you that are very familiar with how the peer-to-peer trading method works, whenever you want to sell your cryptocurrency, let's use the USDT as an example. When you go to the peer-to-peer trading section, when you click that particular button, it takes you to where you see lists of merchants and their selling price or buying price. Let's now assume you want to sell your USDT. Okay, what you do is to click on sell, and then you filter the amount you want to sell and probably the payment method, bank transfer, OP, whatever. So when you finally choose, or you eventually choose the merchants that you want to trade with, and let's say you are comfortable with their price, when you apply to sell, they give you the particular amount that you are going to receive in return, right? Let's assume you want to sell $20 or 20 USDT, for example. That should be about 30-something thousand you should receive from the merchant, right? Then tell me why some merchants, I believe they are aware, the people you are selling your USDT to are aware that this is the amount you are supposed to receive. Just like you see it there, I believe they are going to see it there. So tell me why they will see that you are supposed to receive 35,000 Naira, for example, and they will send you 25,000 Naira and then tell you to release the coin. I don't know, how? Whenever I want to trade with merchant, this is not even one person. This happens with a lot of, I don't know if it's the same person, because I've not taken time to look at the name of the merchant, but it has been happening. It even got to the time that one told me that 1,000 Naira is his gain, and I'm like, how is it his gain? You're the one that gave me this particular rate. You said this is your rate. For example, your rate is 1,600 Naira. Then why would you convert something lesser and tell me to receive the coin, or release the coin rather? So that's suspicious. This has been happening countless times, and I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing this. Please, if this has happened to you on Bybit or whatever, or any other exchanges, okay, a situation where you want to trade your USDT or other cryptocurrencies or coins, and then they are giving you the lesser amount and telling you to release the coin. Bybit is very secured. Even Binance, they are very secure. That's why they do tell you, confirm if you've received the complete amount of money before you release the coin. I just like their security. Bybit most especially. That's why I love trading with Bybit. But it's the merchants now that are the problem. Are they trying to scam us or what? That is what I don't know. It's now, you see the one I took this morning. This one I was like, again, this is how you guys do it? There has to be an explanation for this, because you know that your rate, this is your rate, okay, and then you know the amount you're supposed to sell to me. Then why will you reduce it? Because you definitely know how much you're going to sell me. Okay, you're trying to think, maybe you feel that I would not check the amount I received, and then I'll just release the coin to you. And once you release the coins to them without confirming if you received the complete amount of money you're supposed to receive, that's it. And that's why Bybit has in fact, if you see the process, they will tell you check. You will click. You will see it right now. You have to click if you actually received the money. And when you do click that you've confirmed that you've received the money, they will still give you the opportunity to add a security code from your Google Authenticator, whatever security method you guys choose to do. That's Bybit for you. It's very secured. But I don't know what's with the web merchants now. They've been doing it a lot. When I trade with even higher amounts, they will remove like 5k. If it's not 5k, 10,000 naira. And I find that quite suspicious, because we both know the amounts that I'm supposed to receive. Then why would you send me lesser and then tell me to release the coin? And when you send me a message, you will then like pretend. I don't know if it's deliberate or what seems to be the problem. So if this has happened to you, please let me know. Okay, now, so this is the recent one I told you I was going to show you. All right, I initiated a trade for $40, yeah, to sell $40, and as you can see on your screen, I am to receive 64,640 naira. Okay, and you can see the price, the rate. Okay, now I got a notification that the buyer has already paid me. Okay, I should release the coins, and then I headed to my, the phone that I received the alert on, and this was what I saw. The trade summary said I'm going to receive 64,640 naira. Then why did he send me 54,640 naira and then proceeded to the chat box on what's it called, for our order, and then told me to release the coin? That's really, really odd. And then I reached out to him politely. I'm used to this already. I was like, boss, you didn't send my money complete. Kindly check. Like, I do this all the time. Whenever I notice this, I do tell them. And they will then say, please hold on, so that they can check it to see how much they sent to me. Okay. And once they confirm, they will send the balance. And that's exactly what this same guy did. And that's how I was able to get the balance of 10,000 naira transferred to me immediately. So what I don't understand is that, is this deliberate or it's a mistake? Since it has been reoccurring, I doubt this is a mistake. Probably they feel I might, be one of those careless traders who might not have the time to really check if they've received the amount, or the amount they received. Probably they're in a rush or something. They're looking for those who might fall victim to them, and then that's how once you release the coins to them, it's all over. So that's what I do not understand. So guys, since this particular thing has been reoccurring, I think it's a cue for you to be careful whenever you trade your cryptocurrency with merchants on Bybit. I believe there's some people out there that still do not know how to do this very well. Yeah, I see some people that still reach out to me. I want to sell my funds. I don't know how to do it. Can I transfer it to you? Fine. I've been in this for a while now. If you want to trust me with your funds, it's all right. I can help you convert it. I can help you sell it. Okay, I can help you go through the stress and then send it to you in your local currency. Nigerians now, because I don't know about other countries for now. Okay, but for Nigerians who are not too familiar on how to go about this peer-to-peer trading on Bybit, and you'd like to sell your funds, you can always transfer it to me. Reach out to me via my mail, to avoid things like this, because there are people out there that will still fall for this. That is why I had to bring out this video. So if you're seeing this video, do well to share this video to your friends out there. Share it to a lot of people so it gets to them and they get to know about this. Whenever you are trading with it's not only Bybit, it could be anywhere. Yeah, there's scammers everywhere. Ensure that if you're selling your cryptocurrency, for example, ensure that they send you the money first before you confirm that you received the money, and ensure that the money is complete, except they have their rules and regulations or terms that you maybe did not read. That's why it's important for you to read their description before you even initiate the trade in the first place. Okay, so sorry I'm looking like this. I just had to rush to do this video because I know that if I don't do this video now, I won't be able to do it, because I have a lot. There are very, very important videos that I have, like I'm cooking and preparing for you, especially to my YouTube subscribers, and that's what has been keeping me so busy lately. So I hope you guys heard me clearly. Anytime you're trading or dealing with any of these online vendors or merchants, always be careful. Okay, don't be in a haste to release the cryptocurrencies or coins to them. Do well to confirm before you release it. Ensure that you've received the alert. They'll wait, because that's what the instruction says. Make sure you've received this money in your bank account before you release the coins, and ensure it's the complete amount. Okay, so that's just it. If you found the information in this video helpful or valuable, please do well to like this video and drop anything you have to say in your comments. Let's gist. I want to hear from you, especially those that have experienced this or probably lost funds in the process. Let's talk in the comment section, okay? And remember to share this video to your friends. If you're just coming across this channel probably through this video for the very first time, my name is Jessica, And on this channel, what we do is pretty simple. I bring to you the latest trends or updates in the online space, especially ways to make money online and just being successful. So if you would like me to be your partner in online success, all you have to do is simple as well, okay? If you know this type of content interests you, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Be a part of our moving cash train. So that's all I have to say in today's video. Bye guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do well to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that video. Bye.